Welcome back to my YouTube channel. इतनी जल्दी मेरा बाल बन सकता है? See some new products that I got. Like my sister is a makeup artist, so she gave up on me. But yeah, यही मेरी गुरु माता है मेकअप की. मन नहीं कर रहा है. कटरीना माता की जय. Buy one get one free. Dyson Air Straight. की है. My sister is a good sister. Both eyes are not looking equal.
2 hours later.
मैं गरीब हूँ. मुझे नहीं पता था पहले से पैलेट. Before I start the video, a little disclaimer. I'm a person who would rather sleep for 30 minutes than do her hair and makeup. Even if I want to, I don't have the interest of doing it so well. Like I just do bare minimum and go out, okay? So that is the disclaimer for this video because today we are going to do a makeup, see some new products that I got and how they are. And if you guys obviously know this, I got this very late because my sister got it for me and I was not here to get this from her. So one more note that everything I'm going to say about makeup, the things that I use regularly and everything, it is from a makeup artist though. Like my sister is a makeup artist. So before getting anything, I go to her and ask her for things, but like what should I get and everything. She tried really hard all our life to make me makeup efficient, but I was like not very careful or even listening to what all things you need to do skincare and stuff. So she gave up on me, but she tries to guide me with whatever I ask in between. So yeah, यही मेरी गुरु माता है makeup की. So yeah, the knowledge is good, but how I apply it, let's see. The first, let's see these things that I got to aid my makeup की मतलब ये सब भी ले ही लेती हूँ थोड़ा कुछ तो, और एक दो चीज़ खत्म हो गई थी honestly. So this first thing is this cushion foundation of K Beauty because I don't use foundation. Okay, like I forgot the last time I used a foundation because I live by this concealer, Maybelline का eraser concealer. I live by this. इसको मैं 2-2 महीने में से उसमें कम में भी ख़त्म कर देती हूँ, मतलब एज पर जितना मेकअप लगता है थोड़ा सा अच्छा दिखने के लिए, बाहर निकलने के लिए, शूट करने के लिए जितना लगता है उसको मैं ये ख़त्म हो जाता है. This is my go-to. And then my lip gloss got over recently. I used to use one from Miniso, and this time I felt like let's do something else because lip gloss खरीदते रहना पड़ता है. It's a never ending process, so I needed more. So there was this thing going on Nykaa mein, buy one get one free, and I saw it was nice. I just said let's see, we'll try and see how it is, and it is good so far. मैंने लगाया है एक दो बार. Then I have this one I got from this, ऐसे कुछ तो एक कोरियन शॉप था ऊपर, and this is a Korean brand only. This is water fit tint. So I use this water gel, Hydro Boost hyaluronic acid water gel from Neutrogena, which works as a good primer, I would say, after moisturizing. I don't know, it works as something good. So I'm using this makeup palette ka hi mirror. And before I go ahead with the concealer, I'll show you one more thing. So I my sister is a good sister, okay? So she knows that मैं ब्रशेस वगैरह इतना वो नहीं करती हूँ, घुमा देती हूँ बड़ा बड़ा ब्रश, ये सब इतना फायदा ही नहीं है मुझे देने का. तो शी सजेस्टेड मी टू गेट दिस. एक छोटा सा पाउच है, ट्रेवल परफेक्ट पाउच ब्रशेस, एंड इसमें जो तुम मतलब जितना मेरा मिनिमल मेकअप है उसके लिए इनफ ब्रशेस है. इट्स नॉट दैट बिग और एनीथिंग, इट जस्ट इनफ ऑफ द ब्रशेस दैट आई नीड फॉर माय मेकअप, एंड इट्स गुड. लेट्स अप्लाई दिस माय कंसीलर. अभी अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल से फॉर डार्क सर्कल्स वो जो ऑरेंज कंसीलर लगा के कुछ कुछ करना पड़ता है. मैंने काफ़ी ट्राई किया बट मुझे फिर भी यही बेस्ट लगा. दिस is the best way to hide my dark circles for me, at least. I don't know about others. Done. Now we'll apply the foundation. See, and pretty sure कि मुझे इससे नहीं लगाना चाहिए, but इससे I think डैप कर लूँगी, फिर ब्रश से लगाऊंगी तो that would be. Let's see, it just can do things, you know. बाकी तो देखते हैं क्या होता है. मेकअप ऐसे ही करती हूँ मैं, देखते हैं क्या होता है. Anyways, तो ये ना मैं फुल फेस नहीं करके दिखा रही हूँ, एंड यू कैन सी you can see how good it is, right? You can see, right? I know. K Beauty is something. I mean, trust me, this is not the first product I'm using and I'm loving from K Beauty. I have ultimately used a brush, but yeah, I love the glow it's giving, and also the coverage is not that full coverage or anything, I think, but it's enough for not hiding my skin tone. Yes. Katrina Mata ki jai. So now I'll just set my eyebrows and I don't draw them lot of times because मैं actually shape भी खुद से नहीं करती हूँ. I don't know if our top girls will relate, but you know, some of us have that one auntie in hometown who does the best eyebrows, and then you cannot go somewhere else and get that shape again. So you just clear it at home, but you don't get it done, the shape and everything. I'll just little bit fill up some gaps in between. Yeah, and I think that's enough. मेरा bare minimum इतना ही, मेरे को लाइट फील दे रहा है, बहुत हैवी नहीं लग रहा कुछ, एंड इट्स गुड. Now I'll move to the part where instead of just using the mirror here, we use the palette now. You see, these are the colors in this palette. We'll start with the base on this, with this. See. Looks good. Oh, the pigment is good. This is the base of this eyeshadow, and I like it so far. Now let's do the thing we are going to do with the outer corners. We are going to use this darker shade of brown for the outer corners. या कुछ तो कर पाई. ये ज्यादा हो गया है इस साइड में, लाइक दिस. ये ठीक है, बट ये थोड़ा सा ज्यादा हो गया है. बट मतलब ये फिक्स करने का मेरे को खास मन भी नहीं कर रहा है, बिकॉज बट फिक्स करना पड़ेगा. बोथ आईज आर नॉट लुकिंग इक्वल. आई थिंक मैंने काफी हद तक इसको फिक्स किया है, एंड इट इज व्हाट इट इज. इससे ज़्यादा फिक्स करने जाऊंगी तो पूरा बिगड़ जाएगा. मूव ऑन टू दिस शिमर थिंग, जिसको मैं ऐसा उंगली से ही यूज करने वाली हूँ. सी, I have not done a very bad job, I think, here. What do you guys think? And now I'm going to use little bit of this golden shimmer in the inside corners, and I'll see how it looks. Okay. दिखी नहीं है ये. Finally, it looks like this, and yeah, it is nice. I don't know if I want to put eyeliner or anything. I think so. I should skip it. I should use some mascara instead. I use this mascara, which is like something called Patrick TA. This is also from my sister, so I have really less idea about the brand and how it is, but it is good. Just realize right now कि मुझे दो और चीज़ों की जल्द से जल्द ज़रूरत है, which is a new mascara since it's getting over अभी, and what is that other thing? Eyelash curler. But yeah, I like this. I think I'm gonna put something in the lower lash line also. कुछ तो ये वाला. I don't know how it will look, but try करने में क्या ही जाता है. I do wanna try the tint, but we do have a blush here to try तो. But then it is looking very pinkish to me. पहले ये लगा के देखते हैं, मतलब फिर खराब तो नहीं कर सकते. यही लगा के देख लेते हैं आज.
2 hours later.
I don't know if I like this pink thing a lot. Now I do have a liner, but it is dark in color, and so I'm going to use some other thing, which is this lipstick for liner. Then I'm going to use another lipstick, and then I'm going to use the lip gloss. हम ये lip gloss लगाएंगे. This one, that Nykaa one. That completes my makeup look. I'm not gonna use any powder or anything. मन नहीं कर रहा है, honestly, but I think we did a decent job here. Now hair is a thing that नहीं ऐसा मेकअप में कि करना ही पड़ता है, करना ही पड़ेगा, अभी मुझे ऐसा ज़रूरी है, लेकिन I got this recently Dyson Airstraight. इसका सिस्टम थोड़ा सा कुछ अलग है, like you have to reset it, test it, and then you get to open it and use it. So I don't know, मतलब you guys might know मैं गरीब हूँ, मुझे नहीं पता था पहले से कैसे यूज़ करते हैं, मुझे रिसेंटली पता चला है. तो या, फर्स्ट थिंग you open this and it cleans. Okay. Then you have to select dry or wet. Of course, my hair is dry right now. And the temperature. And you don't have to go all छोटा छोटा एक पार्ट लेके, you have to do it and do it nicely. इतनी जल्दी, इतनी जल्दी मेरा बाल बन सकता है? I am totally, totally in love with the entire thing now. The entire look, my hair, which just got done in minutes. Like, I have problem with these hairs that are very stubborn when it comes to straightening and everything. I can say we got our hands on some good products. I like this palette overall. There are contour shades also, you can do that. I don't usually do them, मुझे आता नहीं है honestly, but overall this palette is, I think मैं अगर थोड़ा और अच्छे से करती तो the result would have been a little bit more different with the hair state also. But I'm not going anywhere, कुछ भी नहीं कर रही हूँ अभी. That is it, the shoot is over, the makeup is done for the day. I'm not going anywhere, so that is enough. Do let me know if I should do these things with you guys a lot more, because it's enjoyable like this. I like the entire process. So yeah, until then, we'll see you soon. Bye bye.